Today I'm making Baião de Dois, a traditional Brazilian dish made with black-eyed peas and rice. It's a New Year's favorite, known for bringing good luck, prosperity, and comfort. And by the way, Baião de Dois loosely translates to two dancing together. Two dancing together. The beans and rice cooking in the same pot, absorbing flavor and moving as one. Let's create. Let's go with the base. So let's start by rendering a diced bacon. I have about several strips that I cut in pieces and I'm going to render now. And you're going to do that over medium heat and let it slowly release its fat. This is the foundation of the dish. Now add the dry meat and cook it, lightly to get a little bit brownish. Now here's a trick. If you cannot find dry meat here in the United States, you know what I did? Or you can do? Get some smoked turkey necks, put them in water and boil them and peel them apart. That would do the trick too. Now if the pot looks dry, add a little bit of oil, just a tiny bit, but usually the bacon fat is enough. Now let's go with the aromatics. Let's add the yellow onion and cook until soft and translucent. That's about maybe 3 to 4 minutes, okay? Now you're going to get the black-eyed peas. These black-eyed peas were soaked overnight in water. And then I cook them separately onto tender. I boiled them with a little bit of salt for about 20 minutes. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add them straight into the pot. And I'm going to stir them in all this flavor. I'm going to add the minced garlic. And you gotta add it before the beans, okay? You don't want it burning, so you're going to stir it around a little bit. Because if it burns, it gets bitter. So what I'm going to do, I'm mixing it with the beans, okay? About 30 seconds later, I'm going to add the long grain rice. And I'm going to stir this well so every grain is coated. And this is important. In Baião de Dois, the rice and beans finish cooking together. Not separately, but together. This is what brings the dish together. Look at this beauty. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour some hot chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, you can go with water. But try to go with chicken stock. Just enough to cover everything, okay? Taste the liquid for salt. If you need salt, just add a little bit. Keeping in mind that the dry meat can have some salt already. This one is good. So what you're going to do, you bring it to a boil, like now. Then you're going to cover it. And you're going to lower the heat, maybe a couple notches below medium. And you're going to let it cook gently until the rice is tender and the liquid absorb. So you have to check it out. It's about 10 minutes later or so to make sure that's happening, and it might take a little bit longer to cook. Once the heat is off, which I turn it off, you can add a small amount of diced French cheese. Then you're going to cover the pot and let it soften slightly, okay? You don't want it melt, you want to just soften slightly. And this step, by the way, is optional, but it adds a nice bite to it. Grab a fork and floss gently. And then what you're going to do is add a little bit of chopped parsley. This is Baião de Dois, humble, comforting, and full of meanings. Beans and rice dancing together in one pot, bringing warmth and good fortune for the new year ahead. I hope you enjoy it.